Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that DarkVeil token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, DarkVeil is a decentralized confidential trading protocol built on Solana, designed to provide private execution for spot and perpetual markets. The protocol uses encrypted order flow, an AI-assisted matching engine, and Oracle-based pricing prevent MEV exposure and reduce slippage. DarkVeil enables users to trade without revealing strategies or intent to the public ledger. The VL tokens support governance, protocol fees, and the operation of the network confidential execution layer. DarkVeil token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion. Wheel token is listed on Metaura V2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.